Hey everyone, in this video I'll give you a quick introduction to Cloud Firestore, and also I'll show you how it stores the data and the differences between Cloud Firestore and Realtime Database. Cloud Firestore is a flexible and scalable database. It is a NoSQL database and you can use it with mobile apps or websites to store and sync the data in real time. Similar to real-time database, it also keeps the data in sync across different apps. So if you make any update to one device, then it will be reflected on all other devices immediately. It also provides offline support that is also similar to real-time database. Real-time database was actually introduced first, but the way it stores data, it's difficult to scale, because you know that we use only simple one JSON structure to store the data. So for small apps it works fine, but if you have like complex data structure, then real-time database is hard to store the data. So Google started Cloud Firestore, and that is the reason it is easy to scale than real-time database. Okay, so this is the way it stores data. The first thing is that it stores the data inside documents. So these are actually key value pairs, and all these documents are stored in collections. This document supports different types of data types, and also we can use complex sub collections inside a document. So we can have collection. Inside this collection we can have like different documents, and inside these documents we can have sub collections, or we can have the data. We can write queries that will return the data. So we can write queries to get the data from at the document level. So we can write that, find out all the data from all these documents. We can also write some complex queries that will find out all the data from the nested sub collections inside these documents. And also we can add different types of processings like sorting the data, or filtering the data, or adding pagination to the data. These types of things are not possible with Firebase real-time database. We will have to use Cloud Firestore if you have any complex data structure. So the thing is that which one to use, real-time database or Cloud Firestore? So if you go to the Firebase website, then you will see that inside this there is one compare Cloud Firestore and real-time database. So if you go here, then you can see that like different types of options are given. So you can click on any of these options. Like this one is asking that role of the database. So if you want primarily synchronizing the data with basic query, then if I click it here, then you can see that it's recommending real-time database. And let me refresh it again. And the second one is the advanced querying, sorting and transactions. So if you need advanced queries, then it will recommend me to go for Firestore. Similarly, if we are operating only a few GBs or less than our data, less of data that changes frequently, then it's recommended to go with real-time database. And if we have like hundreds of GBs or TBs of data, then Firestore is recommended. Similarly, simple JSON tree, it is real-time database, and documents organized in collections, then it's Firestore. So if you want like extremely high uptime guarantee, then if I click on it, then you can see that it provides by the Cloud Firestore. And offline queries of local data, if you want frequently or rarely or never, if I click on this frequently, then Firestore is recommended. Similarly, number of database instances. So if you have like one single database, or if you have like many databases, then if I click on it, then it's recommending me real-time database. And if I need only one database, then it recommends Firestore. So you can go through this page to learn like how the main differences between Firestore and real-time database, and based on that you can actually choose which one to use in your project. So that's all for now. If you have any question, please drop one comment below. From the next video, we'll learn how we can integrate Cloud Firestore and how we can like read write data in different ways. Thanks. Bye.